Another day, another story. Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Europa Facts. As always, it's so great to have you here. Today I want to take you on an adventure to explore some of the most astonishing and chilling facts about the fascinating Indian state of Manipur. This relatively small state in northeast India is shrouded in mystery, with a long history and unique culture that have given rise to many strange and intriguing stories. So get ready, because in this video I'll be counting down the top 5 most terrifying and curious facts about Manipur that will leave you wide-eyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Fact number 1, Loktak Lake and its haunted Kibul Lamjau National Park. Nested in the center of Manipur lies Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India's Seven Sisters states. At first glance, it looks like any other beautiful lake. But upon closer inspection, you'll see entire villages magically floating on it. These are ancient settlements built on biomass vegetation that looks like land but is actually movable. Locals refer to them as fumdis. They're held together by tangled plants and can shift locations based on wind and water currents, seeming to have a life of their own. Even more mysterious is Kibul Lamjau National Park, the only floating national park in the world, located right in Loktak Lake. It protects the endangered Sangi deer found nowhere else on earth. But legend says the Fumdis and park are haunted by two mythic creatures, the Thanging, Manipur's version of a unicorn, and the Nomshaba, a draconic serpent with emerald eyes. These beasts are said to emerge at twilight and drag anyone on the Fumdis down into the watery depths, so tread lightly if you visit at dusk. Fact number 2, the infamous 9 unknown men. Manipur has been ruled by many kings throughout its long history. But the reign of King Naupangba in the 5th century AD hides an odd truth. He was allegedly advised by a secret society called the 9 Unknown Men. This organization was founded by Emperor Ashoka of the Maurya dynasty to preserve and develop knowledge that could be dangerous in the wrong hands. Each of the 9 unknown men specialized in a unique field like microbiology, psychology, or cryptography. They passed on their skills to worthy successors but always remained hidden in the shadows. According to legend, Naupangba relied heavily on the teachings of the 9 unknown men to gain advantages in warfare and politics. But he angered them by trying to release their knowledge to the public. So to punish him, they engineered his death and have manipulated events in Manipur ever since. While unverified, the eerie idea that this mysterious brotherhood still wields power behind the scenes in Manipur sends chills down the spine. Their true motives remain obscure to this day. Fact number 3, the ghostly Battle of Imphal. The Battle of Imphal during World War II is considered one of the greatest Allied victories against Japanese forces. But it came at an immense cost, turning Imphal into the site of a bloody 4-month siege in 1944. Over 200,000 troops fought and tens of thousands perished in the hills and valleys surrounding Imphal. Because of the remote location and lack of resources, countless bodies were never recovered or identified. Today, their tormented spirits are said to haunt those same hills, appearing as ghostly soldiers marching through the mists. Some even claim the disappearing apparitions recreate moments from the horrific battle, with phantom planes flying overhead and spectral cannons firing into the distance. The abundant paranormal activity has led locals to consider the Imphal battlefield's cursed ground. Many avoid it altogether, saying the unrested souls of the dead still struggle to complete their doomed mission. Fact number 4, the horrifying tale of the Pishama Mami. In Manipur mythology, the Pishama Mami is a ghoulish creature parents often use to scare misbehaving children. She takes the form of an old woman wearing tattered clothes reeking of rotting fish. Her ash-grey hair covers glowing red eyes and her mouth is filled with sharp fish hooks for teeth. The legend claims she haunts ponds and lakes, waiting patiently beneath the surface for prey. When unsuspecting women walk alone at night to fetch water, the Pishama Mami erupts from the depths and drags them into her subaquatic lair. Their blood-curdling screams can be heard as she feasts upon their flesh, leaving behind nothing but gnawed bones. While undoubtedly fictional, the Pishama Mami exemplifies Manipur's deep-rooted fear of the unknown evils lurking within bodies of water. Her bone-chilling tale has been passed down for generations, ensuring children know the dangers of wandering near ponds or lakes at night. Fact number 5, the paranormal hotspot of Mount Kubru. Rising over 2,500 meters above Manipur is Mount Kubru, part of the revered Kubru mountain range. Considered sacred by locals, it's home to the Kubru Likha, a rock formation worshipped as the dwelling place of local deities. But Mount Kubru also has a reputation as a hotspot for paranormal phenomena. Unexplained lights, strange sounds, and ghostly visions are frequently reported, especially by those camping on the mountain overnight. Locals attribute the area's uncanny aura to centuries of tragedy and bloodshed. Manipuri tribes engaged in endless warfare to dominate the mountains' resources and spiritual power. Massacres left the ground soaked in blood, cursing it with restless spirits seeking vengeance. Perhaps most chilling are accounts of a malevolent presence lurking in the mountain mists. Those who feel its evil glare are overcome with terror, unable to speak or move. Some say it's a demonic entity, hungry for new souls to torment. Well, there you have it friends, 5 seriously creepy facts about Manipur that will give you goosebumps. What do you think? Would you dare spend a night on haunted Mount Kubru or stroll through the misty Imphal battlefields? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay curious. Thanks for watching.